Let's take a look at the chart action for Ethereum. All right, so here's what I'm looking at. We're on the weekly time frame right now. We have resistance right here, resistance right here. We have support right here and support right here. This is a pretty big time frame, so this might take a while to play out. But it looks like we kind of have a triangle pattern, something like this. It didn't come down, but I'm just basically looking at it bouncing in between those trend lines. What I'm doing is targeting from the top to the bottom of this triangle, or actually it kind of looks like a cup and handle too a little bit. But what I'm doing is targeting from the top to the bottom there, dragging that to the breakout, and it looks like a target of approximately around 6,000. I drew this red line right here for the previous top, and it looks like we just broke that previous top, so it looks like we're in all-time highs, which means basically everyone who bought Ethereum is now in profit. So what I'm looking at now is, I think that's a bullish signal that we broke the higher high. If we go to the Bitcoin to Ethereum chart, here's what I've been looking at. We had a downtrend going like this. I was watching this downtrend. More than anything, we also had like a W pattern right here. We broke that W pattern going to the upside, and it looks like we're basically hitting the W target right now. But what I'm looking at is we have resistance right here, resistance right here. That's giving me a trend line going across like that. It looks like we're coming into contact right now with that trend line, and we're getting a little bit of resistance. The other thing I'm looking at is support right here and support right here. Let's do a trend line going to the upside, going like this. In general, if this chart starts trending up, that's good for Ethereum. Let's go ahead and delete some of this stuff. We already finished with that. We finished with this, and we finished with this. The main thing we're watching right now is this resistance trend line going across like that, and this trend line going to the upside like that. Let's see how far we can go riding to the upside. Maybe we could break out of here. And in general, what I've been looking at is if we zoom out a little bit more, I've been watching this flag pattern form, and I've been waiting for a breakout to the upside. So let's see, I'm still kind of curious. Are we going to be able to break to the upside and start heading towards the previous resistance zone up here? That was the previous top. We could target from the top to the bottom of that pole, drag that to the breakout if we could break to the upside, and it looks like it lines up pretty good. Like I said, if this chart is moving up, Ethereum is looking better than Bitcoin, and if this chart is moving down, then that means Bitcoin is doing better than Ethereum. So going back to the Ethereum chart, let's see if we could go hit this target around 6,000. Let me know what your targets are. All right, if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button.